Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by placing the duvet cover inside out on the bed with the opening at the foot so you can work from the head. Once done, slide the comforter into the cover top first and reach inside to secure two opposite corners together. This prevents shifting later. Make sure to align seams and distribute fill evenly as you move. If your cover has ties or snaps, attach them now so the comforter won't bunch when you finish. Next, you'll flip the cover over the comforter by grasping the closed end and pulling the fabric up and over until the cover is right side out around the insert. This motion tucks the cover over the comforter in one smooth move. Then shake and smooth the layers, working from the center toward the edges to eliminate lumps and to center the fill. Finally, fasten all closures and recheck the corners so the comforter sits flat and symmetrical on the bed. Finish by laying the duvet flat and patting the surface and corners to encourage the fill to settle evenly. Use your hands to pull and tuck where gaps appear. If you still see bunching, open the cover halfway, shift one half of the fill outward, and resecure opposing corners. This counteracts stubborn shifting. If a zipper jams, stop and realign teeth. Use a pencil eraser or pliers gently. Forcing it can split the zipper or fabric, so
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.